If you're new, consider hitting like and subscribe and joining the Cuban Beauty Familia. If you're already a subscriber, welcome back. Guys, I've got a video for y'all. I'm going to be doing an unboxing, a new unboxing. But first I want to put out a side video. This is not for an intent to hurt anybody's feelings. There is no intent in this video to make somebody look bad or to play this high school Harry Carey, he said, she said. I'm a 41-year-old woman. I'm not going to play a high school Harry Carey, she said. I'm going to say this once, and I'm going to say it once alone. This is the last time, I hope, to say it. I know that there's been some issues on my channel that originated back in the summer. Well, I also know that a lot of people that were causing those problems, if you watch my videos on a regular and go to my live streams, you will see that these people no longer associate with me, nor I with them. Therefore, I do not wish to be grouped with those people. However, there are others that are good friends of mine that have been told, do not talk to you, that should not be on certain people's channels, or not allowed on other people's channels, and this and that and the other. And now I'm getting told that I shouldn't be put on certain channels. I should be watching certain channels, and yet dealing with other channels. Let me tell you a little story about something, okay? Remember, there's one rule in life that you should always follow, no matter what. And if you don't, you're worse off than I thought. And I'm not speaking that to anybody in particular, so don't anybody think, oh my God, she's saying that to me, and you get butthurt. I'm not talking about anybody in particular. I'm not going to mention names because I have no names to mention. I'm just saying on YouTube as a whole, being that YouTube is, in fact, a social platform in which we all get on here and we teach things. We do DIYs. We teach people how to do stuff. We do challenges. We do makeup like I do. Some of you do ghost hunting. Some people do abandoned places. Everybody does something different on YouTube. Yes, there's people that do the same thing I do. There's people that do the same thing the next door neighbor might do. I don't know what my next door neighbor does. I don't think he does any YouTube. But anyway, I'm just saying that YouTube is a big platform. There's a lot of people doing a lot of things, okay? There's millions of viewers. You people make us who we are. But you cannot sit there and tell me or tell somebody, you shouldn't watch this person. Or don't go to that person's video. Or you can't come to my channel because you're friends with such and such. That's horseshit. Grow up, people. Grow up. It's ridiculous. It's done. It is the end of November, fixing to be December. We're fixing to go into a new year, into 2019. So how about all of us get together, throw the drama away, get together, pack our bags, and all of us go cohesively and happily into 2019. Okay? Because this is just crap. So I'm done with my ranting. And basically, what I'm trying to say is if you're going to be negative and rude and just be derogatory, then you know what? Move along. I don't need it. And again, I'm not by any means pointing fingers at anybody. Pardon me, I'm not saying that it's anybody in particular. It's not. It's just how I feel about YouTube in general. I love YouTube. I'm on the road to 1K subscribers, and I'm hoping to get there because you know you're going to be getting a big gift once I hit 1K. So let's get there, okay, guys? But I'm telling you, my channel is drama-free. I want it to continue to be drama-free. I don't like the drama. I'm 41. I don't need the drama. Save the drama for your mama. I don't want it. I don't need it. This is YouTube. Let's use it for good, not to see who can play high school Harry Carey the best. Okay? Now, so much for that, and on with the new video. I have just gotten a new subscription to Earfleek. It's right there, Earfleek. I love earrings. I don't wear them very often. Yes, I have pierced ears. As you can see, I have these tiny little ears that stay hidden. This is $3.49 a month. I have to look at my phone because I'm not really sure. But, oh, sorry. I don't care if you know my address. If you know it, great. It's $3.49 a month, free shipping, and they're allergy-free. Now, the kind that I got, I don't remember how it works exactly. It's $3.49 and you get one pair of earrings a month. I know that. Then there's the other one, which I think you pay a little bit more. You get 2 sets of earrings a month. Don't quote me. I'm looking because I'm honestly not certain. Okay. So, yeah. Once a month, you get $3.49 a month. You get one pair of earrings. Or you can do the Premier for $9.93 a month, but it doesn't say what that is. So I don't know. So let's see what I have, okay? They are nickel free. So let's see. I mean, I really don't know what they are. So let's find out. I don't even know what they are this month. I don't remember what I chose. I know there's like boho and something. I didn't choose that. That's not really my thing. I think mine are modern and something I don't remember. Let me look. Okay, there's silly and fun. There's minimalist but groovy and boho babe. So I said those totally wrong. And I don't give a hoot. I didn't see that one. Okay, the one I have is minimalist but groovy, and I will receive 100% nickel free one pair of earrings a month for $3.49. So without further ado, let's open this box and see what we got. Again, I have never used Earfleek. I did see this on somebody else's YouTube, and I thought, hey, what the heck? I'll give it a try. I like earrings. I get a jewelry subscription, as y'all already know. I get the mint mongoose, but I thought I'd try the earrings. They're cheap. What can it hurt? Okay, it comes with a cute little card. It says, ouch. Forgive me, guys. I burned my hand really bad the other day. You can see the blister that's on my thumb. That's just one of the blisters. My 2 fingers are jacked up too, but I don't want to show you the grossness. So, hey. Hey, girl. Here's a fun pair of earrings styled just for you. Hope you love your new bling. P.S. Share your new look for a chance to win a year free. Hashtag Earfleek. Comments, questions, comments, damages. Don't fret. And then it's got the support at whatever.com. And there's just a little card that comes with it. Kind of like every box that we get. We all get little boxes. So, oh, these are precious. Hold on. They look like little pearl earrings. And they are pierced because, well, I do have pierced ears. Oh, I love the way they're packaged. They're packaged in like a little Ziploc type baggie, I guess you could say. Not Ziploc, but they got that little Ziploc like that. If you have a Ziploc bag, you know what I'm talking about. Okay. Okay, they come on this little barbell, I guess. This little plastic barbell, I guess, to kind of leave them in there so they don't fall out. Let's see these. These are cute. They're like little pearls. With like a little cubic zirconia. Let's see what they look like. Now, again, as I said in the earlier half of this video, I am on the road to 1K. I am going to be doing a giveaway. I'm not certain of the giveaway yet, but there will be one winner and solely one winner. I'm sorry that there won't be more, but there will only be one because it is for 1K. I do not know what the gift is going to be yet or what the prize is going to be. I have a couple of things running through my head. I'm debating on doing either a unboxing subscription for a year, possibly a makeup palette, but I'm not sure. That depends on whether it's male or female that wins. So the other option I have is a gift card, which I think is the option I'm going to go with is a gift card because with a gift card you can pretty much use it for wherever you want to go. And I'm not saying it's for Ulta or Sephora or anything like that. I'm saying like an Amazon gift card, eBay gift card, something to that effect. I'm leaning more towards the Amazon gift card for the 1K just because I feel that that's a little bit more user friendly. And for those of you that use Amazon like me, I don't know if anybody that uses it, but I do. I love Amazon. You can get, a lot of use out of that. Yeah, you're probably wondering, Carl, why are you putting it on with your right hand if your left hand's right there with your left ear? For those of you that know that I had the stroke. I have a really hard time with my left hand, and my fine motor skills are not very good. So I have to be very careful how I put a pair of earrings with my left hand, or I can either lose the back or stab myself, which most of the time is hurting myself, like I'm doing now. Okay, there we go. So there we go. They're on. See, they're adorable. I like those. I think I'll leave those on for a while. They actually match what I'm wearing. Jeans, a sweater, and my boots. Because I'm in Texas, and it's cold. I don't like it. It's cold. But, okay. Anyway, so I don't know why I'm putting that back. I don't need to. But I'm going to keep this little bag. This little plastic baggie that I can put the earrings back in because that's just cute. So again, that was Earfleek, guys. Again, if anybody got offended by this video, please leave me a comment down below. Or if you know me personally, email me. If you don't know me personally, email me anyway. The information will be down in the link below. Again, if you're new, hit like and subscribe. Consider being a Cuban member of the Cuban Beauty Familia. You can be a Cubanita or a Cubanito, one or the other. Depends if you're male or female. If you're a female, you're a Cubanita. If you're a male, you're a Cubanito. So that's that, guys. But yeah. So be nice, be sweet, and remember the golden rule. Always remember the golden rule. Okay? Treat others as you would want to be treated, and believe me, I will treat you the way I want to be treated. And I'm one of those people that will forgive, and I will forgive and forget is what I say. 9 times out of 10, I don't forget, no, but I'll forgive. I'm the most forgiving person you're ever gonna meet. I'll forgive anybody. Trust me. If you knew my story and you knew my life story and stuff that has happened to me in my past, you'd be in shock. You'd be like, "You've really forgiven people for what? Yeah, I've forgiven people for a lot. For stuff I should never forgive them for, but I have. And so, for those of you that know that personal story, I'm glad you know it because you know what I'm talking about. For those of you that don't, maybe one day I'll get comfortable enough and tell you, but right now I'm not comfortable enough telling anybody. And I'm sorry for that. It's nothing personal, it's just something that's personal to me. Again, please don't anybody get hurt by the video that I put up. I'm just letting you know that I don't think it's right that some people can only watch certain people's videos, or they run the risk of being blocked, or you can watch this channel, but you can't watch that channel. Or, for instance, somebody can watch me and come to my lives and talk to me and be friendly and hotty hotty ho and hidey yady he, and we're the best of friends. And then I get told that you're not welcome on another channel or whatever. You want to attack somebody, you come to me. You come directly to me. You don't go through my friends. You go to me. And if you want to attack me, make sure you have your facts straight before you attack me. Because 9 times out of 10, I'm going to tell you your facts are wrong. Because personally, I know they are wrong. I have tried to defend myself on many occasions. I'm not going to go through this again. I'm not going to discuss this. As a matter of fact, this video is done. Have a great day. Peace out. Besos.